Telepathic communication activated on all levels. Animals are amazing. Yeah, I love you too, lover boy. Where are you? Stay here and now. Don't let anyone to steal your powers away. Be the most loyal to yourself. Yeah? We can assist others. Right? Okay, nature then. More nature. Let's focus on our kingdoms of nature. Thank you all the Council Light and Galactic Confederation of Light for assisting, shining upon us. Absolutely honor to be here now, helping as best as we can, connecting with all that is. There is life everywhere. Yeah, there is life everywhere. There is no such as useless creatures. No, everyone's playing important roles on this planet. If humanity still think that they are the most smartest things or individual beings, then they still need to go. Why? They still have some work to do. Yeah. What else should we talk about? Be kind and gentle to yourself, please. Your divine masculine and divine feminine is being activated within each individual. Maybe experiencing things that are new to you. And yeah, because nobody really talks about it that much. And there is a reason sometimes for it. Those abilities and qualities you need to experience. And some of them are really sacred. So no one, it's your own experience. So no one can duplicate it. It's all your authentic experience here and now. Where is my lover boys here? Come in. Oh, right there. Look at him. Oh, hello. Yes. Aw, so amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you see him there. The cardinal just flew away, but thank you for loving me. I love you too. Lots of healing. Beautiful day. Thank you. So amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Unification, uniting, and lots of lots of multi-dimensional levels. We are uniting. Some beautiful experiences in forest. Deers everywhere. Amazing. But some experiences are only for you. That's why the camera doesn't work in that specific time. So enjoy. Just be. Live your life as best as you can right now. Yeah. Never ending story. Some Pleiadians and Arcturians again. Thank you. What is real? What is fake? There's always many sides to the one story, okay? Not only two side stories. Every person who was involved in that story, even just a witness, will add to it its own perception. So that goes with everything. All the information. Okay? All the information. Look for the original source. And how many people after do their own perception of it. Oh, hello! Birds are coming around, increasing our energies. Beautiful party time. So enjoy yourself, look after yourself. Be conscious, practice here and now. Well, thank you. What else? What else we should remind them of? Hey? Happiness, huh? Create your own reality, please. And if you want to share your energies online, amazing. That's a great service to humanity, but careful with addictions. Yeah? Careful so you don't become addictive. Many people are lonely, and online it's great service. Hello! So many birds are coming for healings. Yeah, lots of healings. So lonely people, it's not easy, and then that's oh hi, have some beautiful dances in the skies now. Well, thank you. Look at, even the birds are dancing. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you. Thank you. Who else is coming to say hello? I hope you see them. Thank you. Happy, happy days. Happy, happy times. Lots of babies. Blessings. Springtime. Mating time. Hey? That's right. Let's remember who we are. Thank you to all Galactic Federations of Light, Ancient Ones, all the gods and goddesses and angels, all the multidimensional beings, and of course star sisters and star brothers from other galaxies. Thank you for being here, protecting, assisting with healing and removing the negative energy that made everyone sick. The genetic research on human DNA, genetics, it's investigated because many diseases, when you're born with a healthy body, with pure soul, ask yourself, you still believe that they are still, that you have specific disease because of your family, ancestral diseases? Look within the DNA, look into that generational trauma. Yeah. Plus, perhaps even of all the medications and vaccinations that each individual member proceeded. Please understand that, yeah, vaccinations are important, and we are not here to judge anyone, but you gotta learn also to question everything and look within it and see what's within that vaccination, and why are you taking it. Analyze your decisions and make your decisions so you don't have any regrets in the future of your life. Yeah. But even if you make it's just a learning lessons for your own soul evolution. Trust your intuition, listen to your higher self. Yeah, so beautiful. Thank you, all the councils of the light. Thank you, thank you. Totally beautiful energies. I hope that many of you went out and experienced nature. This is a great time to go. Sorry guys, I had to switch the camera. And one more time, here we go. Sorry, I didn't realize it was upside down, so we'll see what happened into the video. But beautiful, beautiful energies all around. So have a great day, everyone. All the spirits are alive. Oh, it's beautiful, aligning within the peace, and yeah, changes are inevitable. Changes are coming. Learn your rights, know your rights. Rights to say yes, rights to say no. Whenever, experience your life, huh? You are the sentient galactic being now. Hey, healing, healing, beautiful babies, birdies. Beautiful intention for all people, all animals, all elements. Increasing the energies of unconditional love and unconditional acceptance, unconditional healing, as above, so below, and so it is now. Yeah, even the trees are happy. Yes. Blessings, blessings, blessings. May all people, may all beings be spiritually free and happy. May all beings be spiritually free and happy. May all beings be spiritually free and happy. May all beings be happy and free. May all beings be happy and free. May all beings be happy and free now. Healing to all interplanetary healings. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it? Enjoy. Enjoy the peace of your own paradise. Create it. Create your own community. Look after each other. Look after each other's children on the streets when their parents allow them to go and play outside. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. We are all part of this community. We are all part of this planet. Trees will grow back again. Be conscious. Understand that some behaviors that may not be the most appropriate, cutting trees and not planting new ones, we affecting not only the oxygen supplies but also homes for all those beings that are the trees are the homes for them, the birds and all the bugs and larves. And don't become ignorant of this planet. Every life matters. So let's apologize to Gaia and all her beings here and now. Please forgive us for causing harm due to our unconscious trauma behaviors. May all beings be healed so we become civilization that acts through the highest consciousness of itself. Through wisdom, divine galactic wisdom, peace, healing, love, and assertiveness perhaps, fairness, truth, honesty, integrity. When you are healed yourself, nobody needs to show you that you can trust them. You will trust them because you know they are trustable, and if you cannot trust them, you would maybe not be around them. You will feel, you will know. So if you have a problem with trust, please heal your wounds. I know many of you have experienced lots of trauma, breakups, and heart chakras healings, please. Sexual chakra, sacral chakra healings, please. Meditate on that. Forgiveness. So you can become the best version of yourself. You can experience the life of magic, wonders. So beautiful. So beautiful. So thank you again for being here and now, experiencing this